Welcome to Proteus tutorial. We will explain some of the circuit in Proteus and make you understand easy. And we will teach you electronics day by day. So please subscribe us and tune into our channel. Today we create half-wave bridge rectifier in Proteus software and stimulate it. Let's start. A simple half-wave bridge rectifier is nothing more than an analog circuit. If you look at the diagram, we are giving an alternating current as input. Input voltage is given to a step-down transformer. Output of secondary winding is connected to single p-n junction diode, which is connected in series to the load resistor R. The output voltage is measured across load resistor R. Let's start the circuit design in Proteus software. I am using Proteus 8. You can download it from website. Double-click on the Proteus software. I am using a cracked version of software. Loading will take some seconds. If you are using a fast PC, then it will be instant. First page looks something like this. Click on the new project to create a new one. Give a name to your project. I will name it as half-wave bridge rectifier. And one more thing. Do not delete PDSRJ. It is the Proteus file format. Then click Next. It will ask to select a template. For this circuit I will use A4. Click Next. It will ask you to select the PCB. Here I am not using PCB, so I will click Next. It will ask you to select a firmware. Don't worry about it, just click Next. Click Finish. New page looks like this. Click on P. P means pick device. In keyword type the component name you are going to use. First we need AC supply, so I will type V sign in keywords. Double click on the result. Component is added to the device list. Next select transformer. Type transformer in keywords and then double click on simple transformer. Then diode. Here I am using 1N4007 diode. Type the name of the component and double-click on the suitable result. Then select a resistor. Now we selected all the components. Close the Pick Devices window. Now we will place the components in the assembly sheet. Select a component from the list by just clicking on it. Place that component by clicking on the sheet. That component is on the circuit now. Now you can place it anywhere you wanted. Place all the components in the similar way. You can rotate a component by right-clicking on that component, and then select a suitable rotate you want. All the components are placed in the sheet now. Next step is connecting all the components. Refer the circuit diagram and connect all the components as you wanted to. Let's do it. First click the one terminal of a component and connect it to another terminal in this way. Make all the connections similar way. Now circuit is ready. We want to see the output waveform. And for that we need an oscilloscope. For that click on this icon. Then it shows a list of measuring device. Just click on the oscilloscope. Place it on the sheet. This is a 4-channel oscilloscope. Channels are ABCD as shown in here. Common terminal of this oscilloscope is grounded default. And we need to see the voltage across the input supply and output load resistor R, not with reference to the ground. So connect the oscilloscope terminal A and B to input supply like this. And CD to load resistor R. Later we can add a B and CD. Before stimulating we have to do some more thing. Defining the supply parameters. Double-click on the input supply. And a default setup window will appear like this. Here you can put the input parameters. You know what is AC supply voltage and frequency. Put the value and click OK. Now the circuit is ready for simulation. Click on the play button in the left bottom. Now the simulation is turned on and you can see the waveform in the oscilloscope. Just press C+D to see the waveform across the resistor R. Adjust the voltage and frequency knobs in the oscilloscope to get the suitable waveform. And here it is. To stop the simulation, press the stop button in the bottom. You can try yourself to understand the electronics and the simulation software. We will come up with more circuits.